Ever wondered why your hairbrush seems to hold more hair than your scalp does? Hair loss, a common concern for many, has various causes. These could range from hereditary hair loss, hormonal changes due to life events like pregnancy or menopause, to certain medical conditions such as alopecia areata, and side effects of medications or supplements. Even the way you style your hair or the treatments you opt for can lead to hair loss. But fret not, a homemade hair pack might just be the nourishment your hair needs. Gather these ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 egg. Begin by blending the aloe vera gel, coconut oil, honey, and the beaten egg in a bowl. Once the mixture is ready, apply it generously to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Take a few minutes to gently massage your scalp, stimulating blood circulation. Next, cover your hair with a shower cap and let the pack work its magic for about 30 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. Each ingredient in this pack offers unique benefits. Aloe vera, packed with vitamins and minerals, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. Coconut oil nourishes and moisturizes the hair, preventing breakage and promoting shine. Honey, with its antioxidants and nutrients, supports hair health and adds natural luster. Lastly, eggs, rich in protein, strengthen hair and add volume. Remember, consistency is key. Use this hair pack regularly for best results. However, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist to determine the cause of your hair loss and appropriate treatment options. We hope this hair pack brings a new lease of life to your hair. Do share your experiences after trying it out, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, Fit Vibes Hub, for more such helpful tips and tricks. Here's to happy, healthy